Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. So we have few cards here, guys, that fall out of the deck by itself. So we will take three cards for your general energies, one more card for your relationship, and one card for your career situation, Scorpios. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have Three of Swords, King of Pentacles in reverse, and Six of Cups. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are in a particular circumstance, you are feeling really, tired, you don't know what is the reality, maybe something is confusing you. You may have some doubts about something. Maybe in your work, you lack clarity, and the reason may be because you do not know what will work well. Maybe with all that experience you have in your life, your past experience is telling you something, and you want to avoid that, but your intuition is pointing you towards something, and you do not want to go towards that also. So there is a lot of confusion, doubts in your circumstances today, Scorpios. Maybe you're talking to someone close to you, maybe a friend or a family member, talking to them about your circumstance, telling them your experience, maybe about your past relationship or about the present circumstance, and you want an answer. You want an answer today. You want clarity today. And in your relationship, you feel that this person is not truthful to you. Maybe their attention is on something else. They are not showing any interest towards you. And you feel that it is really wrong for you to trust this person. Maybe their actions and words are something different and something that is worrying you a lot, and you have certain doubts about this person, whether they are seeing someone else, whether they are interested in someone else. So you lack clarity. That may be the reason you are talking to someone, maybe your close friend. You are talking to them about your circumstance. You want to find an answer today. What you need to do and what will be the next step in this relationship. So we picked one card. Let's see what it is. It's Eight of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe if you were just doubting this person, if you uh, had an intuition telling you that something is wrong, maybe they are seeing someone else, maybe your situation is changing and this person is not seeing anyone else, and it may just be your doubts fueling your anger, or your doubts was the reason for some troubles in this relationship. But in truth, maybe this person acted like they are not interested in you. Maybe because they are thinking of proposing, they are thinking of a surprise, they are thinking of a surprise proposal. So that may be the energy here, guys, Scorpios. And they were behaving in such a way to not let you know about that surprise. That may be the reason. So I hope this reading resonates, guys, because with the previous card, it was something like a doubt and confusion on this person, but with this card, it just means that there is a happy event coming in your life very soon. It may be an engagement or a proposal, Scorpios. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. And for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Five of Cups. So in your work, you are worried about something you lost, maybe past failures. The reason for these failures, you know the reasons and you're worried about it. But today, if you want to move forward in your life, you need to see your present circumstances. Do not have any expectation and see the truth, see the reality. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. We will see what is this card. We have Goldilocks, entitlement. So with this card, it just means that you are immature in your circumstance, or maybe someone is really immature. And this person is not aware of what to do or how to be in a connection, or how to be um, a person who respects others. And the bears in these cards, they represent respect and something that you must learn to do if you want to grow yourself, if you want to change yourself from an immature person to someone mature, someone who is making wise choices. So maybe you are dealing with an immature person, or you, it may be your energy, maybe you are quite immature, you don't know how to be, how to handle yourself. And maybe there is someone invading your personal space. It may be your energy or someone's energy towards you, and you do not like it, and you need space. Even though if you are in a very good relationship, a positive relationship, still we need that space, still we need that other person to respect us, to respect our uniqueness, to respect our time and that alone time. Maybe no one should invade that. When they do that, they are pushing this relationship to into some kind of difficult circumstance. So people may not like us using their personal space, or using their things, or using them. You should not take anything for granted. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And maybe there is someone like that in your circumstance. You are feeling really worried, or you simply do not like to be with this person. But if this is your energy, you need to change yourself, learn from the mistakes you did, and change yourself. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So, let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this second card, we have Rhodonite. So this crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and connection with people. So in our life, in our day-to-day life, we meet so many people, and we are here to learn from others and also teach others whatever we know. So this crystal spirit stands for that harmonious, meaningful connection, and we are in this life together, and maybe in our partnership, maybe in our work, or even in this relationship, when we exchange our gifts, we are going to do things in a better way. Exchange our gifts in the sense, our gifts of talents, maybe we will know something better than the other person, and when we give that guidance, maybe they can, someone will make use of it. And even in this relationship, this may be the time for you to connect deeply with this person, give and receive. So teach them what you know, and when they reciprocate that, when they teach you what they know, when they help you with their talents and skills, you are going to benefit today, benefit in this relationship for having that positive connection with you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And you are, um, what to say, you are moving towards a healthy, balanced relationship when you do that, when you share your knowledge, and when you go out of the way connecting with people, helping them out. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.